How to create a new Gmail account. How's it going, everyone? Welcome back to this guiding studio, and today's guide video will show you the step-by-step process of how you can create a new Gmail account using any phone. It's pretty quick and easy, so let's jump right into the video, guys. Well, so you can create a new Gmail account by following different method. First thing first, I'll go ahead and open up the Google application from my device. If you're using an Android phone, you can go ahead and open up the Google application from your device. And also you can open up any browser from your device and go to the google.com. Here you'll get to see the same interface like this. And from here, all you have to do is just to do tap on this profile icon at the top right. If you tap on this one, you'll get to see I already have an account. So if you don't have an account, you'll get to see the add account option. So the reason why I already have an account, so I'm going to expand this email address right from here. You'll get to see I have this email address. So now to add another email address, or now to create a new one, he'll get to see the add another account. I'm going to tap on this one and simply go and tap on Google from here, and it will take a little time to load this page, and then put your device passcode. And from the Google sign in page, tap on create account, select your category from here, give your first and last name, select your date of birth from here. Now simply go ahead and add your username to your Gmail account. Now go ahead and create a password for your Google account. Now he'll get to see the review of your account. Tap on next from this page and agree with the terms and condition. Now you have successfully created your Gmail account. And this is how you can create a new Gmail account. Hope you find this very helpful, guys. If you do, please drop a like and subscribe to this channel. See you guys around, and thank you very much for watching.